Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Canopy Growth's earnings, and I don't think it's a very good earnings report, but it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what big money thinks and what big money wants to pump. And right now, Canopy stock does look bullish, and I think, it may continue to keep going up. I could be wrong. It really at the end of the day depends on big money, what they want to do, how they want to push up Canopy stock. But I'm just going to share my thoughts in this video on Canopy's earnings and what I think about it. So there was news today that kind of helped pop up the stock. Martha Stewart's and Canopy Growth launched a CBD wellness gummy sampler. So yeah, that was the positive news on the stock, and it pushed the stock price up a little bit. I wonder if Martha Stewart is an investor in Canopy Growth. Just curious, but I don't know for sure. Anyway, so let's look at Canopy's earnings. This is on their setup. I have it loaded up here. So this is their earnings. So their cash position on the earnings report is reduced quite dramatically since March 31st. It seems like every quarter that goes by, their cash position goes down, down, and down, and down. It's short-term investment and cash and cash equivalent is now at 1.6 billion. They used to have about $4 billion. They already blew through $3 billion. Now they have about $1.7 billion of cash versus what they used to be, which was 2.3 billion. So it feels like they're burning cash every single quarter, and the earnings wasn't even that great. They made a total net revenue after excise tax of 135 million. Their cost of goods sold was 109. Their gross margin was $26 million, which is pretty low. 26 divided by 135 is about 20%. Their gross margin is 20%. I mean, it's better than a negative gross margin. Before they had like negative gross margin, but at least they're making a little bit of money off gross. Their sales and general administration is $147 million, and their gross margin is at 26. So in theory, they supposedly lost $125 million that quarter, not including like expected credit loss on financial asset and related costs, and then there's some goodwill write down. The total operational expenses was 310 million. But then there was something about loss from equity method investment of 32 million. And then other income, I don't know what this other income is. Because of this other income, they didn't lose too much money. They only lost $96 million that quarter. And after some taxes, they only lost about 64. But still, if it wasn't for certain elements of the earnings, they would have lost a lot of money. Canopy seems like it's bleeding a lot of money, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what rich people think. But the one thing I want to point out is their cash position is very, very similar to Chronos. Like Chronos, I have it loaded up here, I think. November 5th. I guess I have to load it up here. But their cash position is pretty similar to Chronos. Chronos has about $1.2 billion of cash, while Canopy has about 1.7 billion. So the Canopy has about $500 million more than Chronos, and yet Chronos is a $2.54 billion market cap, while Canopy is $9 billion market cap. So seems like a big disparity between Chronos and Canopy. Yeah, Canopy can always grab more cash from Constellation brand, but then Chronos can also grab more cash from Altera, and Altera is a bigger partner than Canopy Growth. So Altera has way more money than Canopy Growth. So Altera could definitely fund Chronos for future growth into the US market. Same with Canopy. So I think that Chronos is undervalued if you compare to Canopy, or either that or Canopy is just extremely overvalued compared to Chronos. That's just my opinion anyways. So yeah, but I feel like Village Farms is like the most undervalued company, but it's been gaining a little bit of momentum lately, so that's kind of a good sign. I am an investor in Village Farms because I find it undervalued. Aurora is got pumped today again, another big pump near the end of the day, but then kind of sold off. It feels like big money doesn't want to plummet this thing down to $4. I mean, it could go down to $4, but it really, at the end of the day, big money dictates the stock price. So if it never goes back down to $4 again, then because big money doesn't want it to go down to $4. So yeah, that's just the way the market works. Afria today was up a little bit, pulling back a little bit after hours. Very good food company had a very good day today, up 8.06%. The Rocket Company was just sideways trading today. It is up a little bit after hours. Beyond Meat will dictate very good food company. I think if Beyond Meat goes below $100, watch out. I think Very will go to back maybe to like $2.50, $2, which would create a huge opportunity for people who believe in the company. TAT right now is just kind of trading sideways. Here's the Rocket again. Workhorse today was up 21 cents. Nikola Motors, ooh, up 11%. Woo, that's nice. Lawsuits. So yeah. Ooh, time to be buying those long-term put options. But again, it could go further up. It just depends on what how big money wants to pump this. But I feel like in around December, I feel like Nikola is going to crash hard. But that's just my opinion. Snapchat today was kind of sideways. Plug Power, Plug Power's been amazing lately. Just pump higher and higher and higher. Just wants to go higher and higher. Neo stock is up 4 cents after hours. Nice day today. Well, decent day today. Up 3.68%. Solo, good day today. Good day today. Up 34 cents. 9.91%. Arcimoto also had a good day today. Up 8.75%. Back down. Down 7. AMD is decent day today, up $3.29. Nvidia is doing pretty good today, up 28 cents. Afria, pretty good day today, actually just sideways day today. Nano Dimensions crashing but bouncing back a little bit after hours. Genius Brand had a really nice day today, up 15%. Popper Reach pulling back a little bit, but hit to $1.50 today. What is it? High Tide. High Tide had some interesting news regarding this is like a conference expecting news from U.S. Expecting news regarding U.S. very soon. If that is the case, that could pop the stock to the moon, I hope. Nano Dimension is neutral. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp today neutral. ChargePoint, Switchback Energy up 8 cents a day, 3 cents after hours. Blink is doing good today too. Blink, man, if you caught this thing at $1, woo! You would have been up 500%. Giga Metals is trading sideways today. Pfizer could be an interesting long-term call option play. AMC today is down 38 cents. Cineplex Odeon today up 8 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for... I only got to last in a few seconds. But yeah, there's a conference call and Raja Gauri was in it. you guys can go to the high tide thing and find a link if you want to listen to it. It's right here, link to the conference. So yeah, Rogers seems very bullish. My take is just buy and hold. I can see a minimum a 3-bagger in less than a year. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.